It's worksheet number 9, which is based upon chapter number 10 and the story Who Will Bell the Cat. Then grammar part. Topic is verb singular and plural. Adjectives, one word substitutions are from back exercise of chapter number 10. So first section is reading section. Have you understood this passage? आपको इस पैसेज ये वाला पैसेज क्लियर हुआ?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's start to do its question answers. Question number 1. Who visited the court of Akbar? Yes. Yes, Ridhima. Ridhima will tell who visit. Yes, a learned Pandit visited the court of Akbar. So write down its answer in your notebooks. तो साथ के साथ ही आप नोट डाउन करोगे. Worksheet number 9. Then first section reading section. Just wait. Reading section. So question number first. Then its answer. A learned Learned a learned Pandit Pundit Pandit visited visit किया उसने गया वो visited the court COURT कोर्ट होता है जैसे वो राजे का दरबार होता है उस फॉर्म में कोर्ट ऑफ अकबर अकबर क्लियर A learned Pandit visited the court of Akbar. Done?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Everybody has done?
No, ma'am.
A learned Pandit visited the court of Akbar.
I'm done. Ma'am, आपकी स्क्रीन शो नहीं हो रही.
सृष्टि स्क्रीन शो हो रही है आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
यस तो तंजोत आपका नेटवर्क इशू है. आई एम गोइंग टू रब दिस आंसर. अगर किसी स्टूडेंट को स्क्रीन शो नहीं हो रही तो आप सुन के आंसर को लिख सकते हो. You know how to write. Then answer number 2. Question is what did he claim to know? वो क्या क्लेम करता था कि उसको क्या पता है? Yes. Yes, yes. Yes.
He claimed to know many.
Yes, he claimed because question में did है we will use second form of claim. He claimed to know many different languages. Write down he claimed claim के साथ ed claimed to know many different languages. Language के स्पेलिंग के साथ आपने यूज करना है ES, लैंग्वेजेस, कि बहुत सारी भाषाओं के बारे में वो जानता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3।
Medal.
Question number 3. Make a sentence of whisper. Just wait.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Medal.
Yes, Vasu. Sentence of whisper. Yes, tell me.
He whispered into Pandit's ear.
Yes, ये भी लिख सकते हो. He whispered into Pandit's ear. Or any other sentence?
He
Yes.
whispered in my friend's ear.
I whispered to my friend's ear. ये भी लिख सकते हो. I whispered into my friend's ear. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ananya, where is Mannat?
मैम पता नहीं।
सानवी?
मैम वो लगाते ही नहीं है।
कोई बात नहीं, आज इन्फॉर्म किया जाएगा उनके पेरेंट्स को। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। हैव यू डन सेकंड एंड थर्ड आंसर?
यस मैम। यस
Okay.
मैम।
ओके। नेक्स्ट ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। पिक आउट ऑपोजिट्स ऑफ। तो हमने अपोजिट लिखने हैं किस वर्ड के? लाउडली। लाउडली का अपोजिट वर्ड?
स्लो। मैम स्लोली।
स्लोली। इसके लाउड का स्लो, लाउडली का स्लोली। SLOWLY। एंड B is same.
मैम मैम डिफरेंट। डिफरेंट।
Yes.
मैम डिफरेंट। मैम डिफरेंट। डिफरेंट।
Different. Yes, Rutvi. Yes.
मैम
Yes.
नहीं होगा। मैम
Yes, slowly तो होगा fastly का. Right. Next question number 5. Pick out second form of verb of question number 5. Pick out second form of verb of. First is shout. Yes.
मैम shouted।
Shouted. Question number 5th. Yes. Shout का? Shouted. Yes. Shout के साथ ed. जिन वर्ड्स के साथ प्रीफिक्स ed यूज होता है या d यूज होता है वो कौन से होते हैं? रेगुलर वर्ब। नेक्स्ट बी क्राई का? नो। क्राई का? क्राइड। CRIED। क्राइड। और चैलेंज का? चैलेंज्ड। challenged, GK, GE or D, right? Note it down.
I'm done. I'm done.
Everybody has done?
I'm done. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now second section is writing section. You will do it yourself as a homework by learning it in proper way. तो इसको अच्छे से पहले लर्न करोगे, फिर उसको रिटर्न फॉर्म में करोगे अपनी नोटबुक नंबर 1 पर. Next, third section is grammar section. First is fill in the blanks with right verb in brackets. First is the baby dash milk. Options are wants, comma want. Jasleen Kaur, tell me its answer, Jasleen. Wants. Yes. Now third section is grammar section. First part of first question is the baby wants. Want के साथ s, wants. Second, they dash a new car. Just Tanjot Kaur.
Yes, ma'am. I can.
Tanjot, they dash a new car. Has or have? Garima,
Yes, ma'am.
they dash a new car. Has or have?
They have a new car.
they के साथ have यूज करेंगे. they have a new car. ये हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं अपने verb singular and plural concept में. Next, third, you dash very hard working. You are. Yes. Next, Aryan, I dash 9 years old. I के साथ कौन सा helping verb? I am. Clear? Okay. Now its
Yes,
second question is, complete the sentences with suitable adjectives. It was a dash victory.
Ma'am, I will dash.
Kavyansh will tell. It was a dash victory.
मैम कौन सा भी है?
Second question का first part of grammar section.
Glorious.
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 GLORIOUS. Glorious होता है splendid, शानदार. Second, he died a dash death. Yes, Tanjot. Tell me its answer.
Ma'am, please repeat question.
He died a dash death. तंजुत इतना टाइम नहीं लगाओ. Next, Rutvi. Stop it, Tanjot. Next, Rutvi. He died a dash death.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me its answer.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
He died a dash death. No. No. He died. बच्चे, please stop.
Ma'am, I can't listen your voice properly.
He died a dash death. Is it clear now?
Okay, then.
Yes, Priyanshu.
Sudden.
Sudden. He died a sudden death. Next, third is cycling is a dash exercise. Yatin will tell. Yatin,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me its answer. Cycling is a dash exercise. आपको ऑप्शंस भी गिवन है. हेल्दी, नॉटी, रेकलेस, ग्लोरियस, सडन.
Ma'am, I tell. Ma'am, I tell.
Yes, its answer is healthy. HEALTHY, healthy. Next, fourth is the dash children were punished by their parents.
Ma'am, I will tell. I tell.
Who is saying I will tell?
Ma'am, I tell. Ma'am, I tell.
I tell. Yes, Nitin. Nitin. Nitin will tell.
Ma'am, I tell.
Nitin. No response. Srishti.
Naughty.
Naughty. NAUGHTY, naughty. Yes. Next, fifth is the dash driver drove at high speed. Ridhima.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me its answer. The dash driver drove at high speed.
Ma'am, reckless.
Reckless. RECK, wreck. LESS, reckless. Yes.
I'm done.
Okay. Ayush will tell. No response. Yes, Priyanshu.
Ma'am, I tell.
Yes.
Sun.
Sun. Its answer is sun. SUN. Second. Who is not willing to come?
Ma'am, I tell.
Yes.
The children.
The children. The children. Yes. Next, fourth is. Fourth, choose the correct option. The children's love for the nurse is a reciprocal, less than the nurses, or moderate. Choose the correct option.
Ma'am, assess. Ma'am, I tell.
No. Ananya Sharma. अनन्या.
ठीक कर दो.
क्या कर दो?
रिपीट कर दो एक बारी.
Choose the correct option. The children's love for the nurse is dash, reciprocal, less than the nurses, or moderate. Ananya. Anamika. No response.
Am I tell?
Yes.
First question.
Yes.
Reciprocal.
Yes, its answer is part A, reciprocal. Reciprocal. Right? Now, fifth question. Fill in the blanks. The sun is setting. SETTING. Sun is setting. Soon it would grow dark. DRAK, dark. Right? Clear? तुम्हारी वर्कशीट कंप्लीट हो चुकी है एक्सेप्ट राइटिंग सेक्शन एंड 2 क्वेश्चंस ऑफ लिटरेचर सेक्शन. यू विल डू दीज पार्ट्स योरसेल्फ. तो ये जो पेंडिंग है वो आपने अपने आप ही करना है लर्न करके विदाउट डूइंग एनी चीटिंग. किसी तरह की कोई चीटिंग ना हो इसमें. राइट? यस.
सेकंड पार्ट नहीं हुआ.
किसका सेकंड?
रीडिंग सेक्शन का.
अच्छा, अभी वो मैंने कर लिया है. फिर मैं आपको इवनिंग में सेंड करूंगी इसके आंसर्स. तो पहले आप लेट ज्वाइन करते हो तो फिर बाद में डिस्टरबेंस क्रिएट करते हो. जब भी आपको लिंक शेयर होता है उसी टाइम आप ज्वाइन किया करो। डन?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we will leave this meet.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Bye.